Want to know if your adult learners really get it? In this video, we'll walk you through 7 smart, practical strategies to help learners demonstrate true understanding, not just repeat facts. From teach-back moments and graphic organizers to real-world applications and low-stakes quizzes, you'll discover ways to see what students really know, while building their confidence and critical thinking skills. Measuring success: 7 strategies to help learners demonstrate understanding. 1. Use teach-back moments. Have learners explain a concept to a partner or the whole class. This forces them to organize their thoughts and use their own words. It immediately reveals their grasp of the material. 2. Create simple summaries. Ask students to summarize a reading or lesson in a few sentences. This encourages them to identify main ideas and condense information. They can do this verbally or in writing. 3. Design graphic organizers. Provide templates like KWL charts, Venn diagrams, or concept maps. Learners fill these in to organize information and show connections between ideas. This supports visual and structured thinking. 4. Connect to real-world problems. Present a scenario and ask learners to apply new content to solve it. For example, use a math concept to figure out a budget problem. This moves beyond theory to practical application. 5. Encourage question generation. Have learners write their own questions about the content. Quality questions often show deeper understanding than simple answers. This also prepares them for discussions. 6. Use low-stakes quizzes. Give short, frequent quizzes that focus on understanding, not just memorization. These can include short answer questions or prompts that require explanation. This provides regular checks without high pressure. 7. Incorporate demonstrations/role plays. For practical skills, have learners demonstrate steps or act out a relevant scenario. This proves they can perform the task accurately. It builds confidence and real-world readiness. Providing varied ways for adult students to demonstrate understanding empowers them. It moves beyond rote memorization, building confidence and ensuring mastery of key content for real-world success. Please share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.